If you like to do composites, whenever you're in a situation like this, the hardest part is always getting the hands at the right angle and getting it to look right. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. The first thing you always want to do is I'm going to rasterize the layer. And then once I've done that, go up to Edit, Puppet Warp. And now here I'm just placing pins on the areas that I don't want to move. I want these areas of her body to stay stationary while I'm moving her hands in the right position. So here I'm just creating one last pin on her hand, click and drag that hand up to the handlebar. So now my problem is, see how the hand turned in? Hold down the Alt key and you see that dial, you can just turn it to the angle that you need. Again, just drag that pin over a little further and then look at the situation I'm dealing with. Look at those jacked up thumbs. So once again, all I'm having to do is click and drag those thumbs in a little bit. I'll do more editing after this, but you get the idea. You just do whatever adjustments you need. I also have a lot of masking off and tons more edits to do, but this gives you a basic idea of just how to move to the right angle. Again, just click and drag. I'm creating another pin in another spot I might want to move. Oops, don't look at that. That was a mistake. Okay, click and drag. Once again, it turned in, no problem. Just hold down your Alt key. It gives you that dial where you can just rotate the hand, and here we go. Now she's facing the right direction with her hands, and I'll continue on with further edits. So here's a before and after. Hope that helps.